Is it good?
Mhm.
Oh my goodness. You got so much frosting on your face. How did that happen? What are you gonna do? You gonna lick that off your own face?
Hi.
Say welcome to our channel.
Welcome to my channel. This drive.
What are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a cake.
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel.
Look, my legs is out.
Your legs are out. Today we are going to make miniature double layer confetti cake. And I'm gonna let Eli do a lot of the work. So I've already measured out the oil and the eggs, and we've got our confetti cake mix. And Eli is going to dump the ingredients in and then mix. So put your spoon down so that you can dump. 2 hands, dump it into the big bowl. What is that? Say eggs.
Eggs.
Okay, now this little one.
The little one?
Say oil.
Oil.
Alright, now really slow and carefully do some mixing with the spoon. Yeah, slow and careful.
But it's not easy to put.
It's not easy. You gotta do a lot of work to mix it.
Oh no, it's breaking the cake. Oh, I'm mixing it. Cake, sugar, egg. Putting on this big plate.
Do you need help?
No, but look.
I think we do need a little bit of help.
Mom,
Okay.
look.
It's okay to need help
They
sometimes.
are on. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Look, the sugar's on it.
That's flour.
Oh.
It's probably got some sugar in there too. You can put that inside that bowl.
No, I want to.
Are you gonna dump some more in there? Okay.
Look. It's double cake.
What's gonna be double is that we're going to make these little squares, and then we're gonna use frosting in between and stack them, and then put frosting on top with the sprinkles.
This is cool.
Okay. What's the egg smell like? Good or bad?
Good.
Smells
But
good.
still inside.
Oh. Thank you. A little bit more egg in there.
No. There's no egg in here.
Okay, good. Let's put this
I
aside.
want to eat the double cake.
The dog can't have any cake.
Wait.
It won't be bad for him. You see some sprinkles in there already?
No. I don't see the white
Alright,
stuff.
we're all mixed up. There's our batter. It's got some sprinkles in it already. And now, first we're going to spray our pan, because we don't have square, like we have square pan, but we don't have square cupcake thing. So we have to spray this really quick.
This way.
Look at your little face. And you're going to do the spoon and put a little bit into each of these holes.
Oh, yikes. Oh, look.
Whoa! Put that in there. Excellent. Yeah, do a little tapping motion, trying to get that off there. Ooh, it's thick, huh? Alright, put a little bit more on your spoon. Try not to get too much on the sides.
Look, it's still on.
Yeah, but it might be easier if you have more in there.
I don't know a little bit. Look.
Yeah, you do that. Wow. This
didn't-
smells good, huh?
No.
Put a little bit of batter into our squares.
Oh, he's like super big.
Oh my goodness, that is a big spoonful. Alright, we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And the instructions, we're going to use the cupcake instructions since we're doing 12 small ones. And it says to do it between 19 and 23 minutes. So make sure you get an adult to touch your oven. Mommy's going to be doing the oven today.
The oven day?
And then we will catch you guys in a couple minutes when these bad boys, where are they? They're down there. Come out of the oven. And we gotta let them cool too.
I want to see if they is.
Okay. Alright guys, we have pulled out our little cakes from the oven. And now we have divided them in half. We have, one half is kind of the smaller ones that came out, and the other half are the big ones.
We got big cupcakes.
Because we have big cupcakes. We're gonna take the smaller ones and cut off their rounded tops so that we can use them as the bottoms to our double layer cakes. And the top layer will have a more a flat surface to sit on. So here we go. We're going to cut them. Yep, I'm going to cut these.
You want to cut all of these?
Not all of them. No, I want 6.
What? 6.
Yeah, 6. Okay.
6. Oh, nice job, Mom.
Thank you. So here's 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Making a pile of these.
8. I said 2.
You're so good at counting.
3, 4, 5,
That's 3.
6, 7, 8,
4,
9, 10, 11, 12,
5,
14, 16, 17,
and
18, 19, 40. I said 6. 19.
Come back inside here. Say hi.
Hi.
Now we are going to take our Ziploc bag full of frosting, and it's got a little nip in it so that we can put a thin layer of the frosting on these flat surfaces.
We didn't cut these.
Yeah, we didn't cut those. We don't want those ones cut yet. Or not even at all. We don't want those cut.
I'm going to use my scissors hands.
Scissor hands? No, don't cut those. Keep those nice.
Why?
Because those are the tops. Alright, do you want to watch what Mom does and then you can do one, okay? So I'm going to let's take this one that's really close to C. We're going to go really thin. Just a little bit of frosting. Just like that. Can you do some?
Yeah.
2 hands. 2 hands. Okay. You're just going to help by squeezing? Yeah. Okay, let's do another one. Do around the edge really good so you can see that frosting coming out when we make these. Ooh. Are you excited? Oh no, the Ziplocs coming open. We're squeezing a little bit too hard, I think.
Look.
Is that hilarious? Oh my goodness. Ah! We'll just open this up and suck it back in there. Go back in, go back in. Ah! Alright. Squeeze this way, plastic bag. Okay. We'll put that aside because we still need that for later. And now we have our 6 bottoms and we need to put tops on them. So will you help me put the tops on, Eli? So watch, we're going to take these ones and we're going to go gentle smush. Kind of, this should have been a little bit hotter, but that's okay. So this is our first one. Here we go.
I'm gonna put this on my side right here.
Ooh, gently. Yeah.
Yeah.
Eli's done this one. Okay. Let's do this one right here.
And I'm gonna come with this one on my side.
And
oh.
Yeah, they're supposed to be stuck together like that. That's what we're looking for.
Hey.
They're so tall. They're so cute. They're like little tiny cakes.
You put them stack on top.
We did stack them.
Put on top. and we put them down.
All right, we're gonna do some more frosting.
Boy, frosting.
You like yours covered
On
in
the
frosting?
top.
On the top. You're right. It's gonna be on the top now.
I'm gonna do it after you.
Okay, I'm gonna show you what we're doing, and then it'll be your turn. First, we're trying to fix this bag because it got opened and messy. So, just really slowly. I think we're gonna do like a little. We might even use a tool to spread this out a little bit, but I don't want to put too much on because I don't want any of them to end up without any. So you're gonna squeeze some. Oh, ah!
What's happening?
We might use the knife on that one. All right.
Yeah.
You're getting so excited. Okay, stop squeezing quite so hard. We gotta squeeze slow so this frosting comes out the correct end of this. Alright, 1 second. You're getting hyped up, my friend. Oh my goodness, okay. We still have a lot of frosting left, so let's put a little bit more on these. You want a lot of frosting?
Yeah. Am I doing one?
Okay. Hey, you're squeezing the wrong way. You have to go like this. Smooth and... Ah! Oh my goodness. You hear this little boy's giggle? He's so excited. Oh my. Alright. Let's use the knife to spread this out a little bit. Look at my hand is all gross now because the little boy is squeezing so hard. I gotta get a nyak.
Oh,
I need a nyak.
I need one too.
Why do you need one? You're the one that was just squeezing. Hey, are you sneaking while I walked away? Sneaking from the cupcake. Alright. Look at my handsome dude.
Nah.
Are you having fun making cupcakes? What does that mean? Alright. Look, we're going to take the knife and we're kind of just going to make these look really nice. We don't want them to look like weird. Does that look good?
Looks like good.
It looks like good to you?
And you touch them together.
We put them together, yeah. We maybe could have put more frosting in the middle because... Wait, you don't want to eat that one yet. Hold on. We still had a lot of frosting left, so we could have put more, and maybe we will. Maybe we'll take these tops off really quick and put a little bit more in the middle. Because we have a lot of frosting left. Excuse me, Elias Andrew, stop eating the frosting. It's not time to do the eating part yet. No, it's not time to do the eating part yet. Ah, the knife's getting messy. Ew, put that in your mouth if you're gonna do it. Stop. Alright. Let's put a little bit more frosting in the middle. Like, I'll use my knife because Eli's made this all popped out over here. Is it good? Oh my goodness. You got so much frosting on your face. How did that happen? What are you gonna do? You gonna lick that off your own face? Wait, you know what? You need to get washed off before we can put sprinkles on these. Because you're a hot mess over there, dude.
Help me!
Hot mess, Eli.
I need towels.
Yeah, we'll get you a towel in just a second. Why don't you take another big bite of that one that you're eating? Take another big bite. Take a bite.
I did it.
No, take a bite of your cake.
Ow, 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 ow. Ah!
This is nasty, huh?
Another one. Another face stunt.
Oh my goodness. Face stunt. Alright, let's get cleaned up. Eli's made the situation very intense, so we gotta go get cleaned up. Alright guys, we are gonna give this little boy some sprinkles so he can put sprinkles on top of his cakes.
Okay, a little bit sprinkles to put on the cake.
No, a little bit with your pinch your fingers.
Like this?
No, pinch it in your fingers. Yeah, like that. Let's see who put some sprinkles on that. That's the one that you took your bite out of. Alright, how about these other ones? Everybody needs some sprinkles. Ooh.
Orange cloud.
You seen orange ones? You're getting a lot on the table and not very much on the cakes.
Orange cloud hit.
Oh my. Can you reach this one? It's pretty far away from you. Yeah, well, you got it, yeah. Use all the sprinkles up. Sprinkles, sprinkles! Wow, let me do a little bit. Because look, this one's missing this half. There we go. These sprinkles are not sticking to the frosting super well. Ow, the dog's got his cone jammed right on my leg. The dog got his face stuck. Oh my goodness! What? What? My goodness. Anyways, the dog got his face stuck on like a rose bush or something, and now he's wearing the cone of shame again. Look at him. Cone of shame, arrow! Cone of shame, arrow! Alright, ready? Ready? Are we gonna do a big bite? You just gonna have sprinkles? Pick up your cake. No! Oh, you gotta put more sprinkles on. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is a mess. Are you ready? Mr. Man, pick up your cake right here. Pick it up. Look at how mommy's holding hers. Ready? Pick up your cake. Alright, big bite. Ready? Bye guys, thanks for watching our double layer confetti cupcakes. We're all covered in, oh yes, subscribe, says Eli. Give us a thumbs up. We're gonna get some more recipes going soon, so bye.
I want more.
You want more? Eli's still doing the sprinkles. You're putting sprinkles on your hand? Oh yeah? Ah, you made that go for flap. Oh my goodness. We're having way too much fun.